So what we're going to do is we're going to add a new class to our models folder. And the class is going to be called wishes. And you can see it's pretty simple. We've just got an ID and then 3 additional properties, wish 1, 2, and 3. And then we are going to go into the home controller and we are going to add an action method. And I am going to show you, I think this is my completed one, what that looks like. Okay, so here is my wishes class, which is part of the models. Okay, just pretty basic. And in our action method, and this is for the home controller, I'm going to add wish index. And you can see I'm creating a new object here and storing it. And then I take that object and I serialize it into a string. And then I can take the string and save it as a session, as session data. And then I can go directly to the view without passing it anything. So how this looks in the home controller. Okay, so I just threw it near the top, but it really doesn't matter where you put it. So at this point, we've got the class, we have the action method in the home controller. Now we need to create the view. And this is going to be in the home folder, which is inside views. And we're going to create a little view called wish index. So it has to match the action method name. And probably the easiest way to do this is just to take another view and copy and paste and then modify it. So let's see. So any of these, the index view bag, if you took this and you copied and pasted it into the wish index, okay, here's the copy and pasted portion, then you have quite a bit of the typing done. What you still need to add is you need to connect it to the wishes model, and you need to pull in Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.HTTP and system.text.json. And then inside some Razor code, that is where you are going to retrieve the string that is the result of, you know, that whole serialization process. So you're going to retrieve the string and store it. And then you are going to deserialize that string and store it as an object. Once you have the object, then you can access each of the properties using the object name and a dot. So we've created our model, we've modified the controller, and we've created a view. The only thing left is to modify the layout. And we want to add the wish index to the menu. And what I normally do is I just copy and paste one of the menu items and I change it. So our wish index action method is in the home controller and it is called wish index. And then on the menu bar itself, this is the text that I want to display, my wishes. And once you do that, when you run it, you should be able to select the menu option. Okay, there it is. And then these are the 3 wishes that I indicated in the controller. And so if we go back and look, healthy, wealthy, and wise. Okay, so that is all working correctly.